Good morning, everybody. Today is a C day. My name's Caitlin.
I'm Zach.
We're siblings who vlog Disney cruises and adventures. Today we are at C on the Regal Princess. This is a dark disembarkation questionnaire for our stateroom. And you have self-assist walk-off, independent travel with luggage assist, Heathrow Airport transfer, Gatwick Airport transfer, Victoria Station transfer with Princess, and debark tour in Southampton. So it gives you different times. So you have, for example, if you do Heathrow Airport transfer with Princess, you can select what terminal you're in, what airline, your flight number, departure time, and then you can select your preferred time for disembarkation. So you can do 7:30 or 9. Most of them run about $59 per person. US dollars. Anyway, so today is C day, first C day of 2. I think we want to do afternoon tea sometime, which is probably coming up soon, so we need to check that.
3.
Oh, it's 3? And they gave us our passports back yesterday. I said in the vlog, but I wasn't sure why they took our passports, but I was an idiot and I wasn't thinking because I was tired. The reason they took our passports is because Ireland is not a part of Great Britain. That's why they needed to see ours, because we had to go through customs, and to make the process faster, they just took our passports, which is smart. I don't know how I didn't think of that. Or, I don't know. Do you want to eat first? I guess we can eat. This is the C-Day outfit. I got this set from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below in the description if you want to watch, or if you want to check it out. It's actually very comfortable. I wanted something comfortable and loose because, you know, I'm all about the food on a cruise. So I wanted something comfortable but cute, but also loose, but also falls. So here are some of the things to do today. You can pause the screen or pause the video if you want to read in more in depth. Sorry for the rocking, that's the ship, not me. Feels so good out. It's like 55, but I have a sweater dress on and my jacket. It just feels really good, don't you think?
That was cool.
A little windy for a second. See here, don't care. It's hard to see on camera, but out there is a boat, and then right beside it is a piece of land. It kind of looks like a volcano-ish. Isn't that what it looks like to you? So I got a muffin. I had a muffin the other day and it was delicious. To be fair though, I'm a muffin person. Oh my god, I look so tired. But what did you get?
Sausage, hash brown, fried egg, and ham and cheese croissant.
And a smoothie. Smoothie looks good. You should try it and see. Oh, it is. They were already putting the breakfast away, so which is fine. I didn't want a big breakfast person. I have some strawberry and some salad. They were still putting it up, so I couldn't get a lot of things. So I'll have to wait in like 5 minutes and go back and get some stuff. But salad and watermelon is good for now. And a muffin and some apple juice. And I'm going to try the hash brown because Zachary said I should try it, so we shall see. Took a piece of Zachary's hash brown and tried it. Yeah, that's really good. I recommend getting that. Blueberry and all this stuff I know is already good, but how did you like your other stuff?
Everything was good. Like really good, yeah. Especially my favorite.
Out of all the stuff you got.
Probably the croissant with ham and cheese.
So I have a salad with French dressing. They didn't have balsamic vinaigrette this time. Then I have rice pilaf with chicken, and then vegetables, steamed vegetables, and a plum. I finally found a plum. This lady I saw the other day had a plum walking around with it, and I finally found one, so I'm going to try it, see if it's good. It doesn't feel like it's in season, but we'll try it and give it a go.
Got a coconut cream pie.
You can lift it up and show them. It's hard to hear, but they're playing the Love Boat horn right now because it's noon. 12 on the dot, they play it every day.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time is now 12 o'clock noon.
So here are the prices for the deal or no? Oh no, I'm just looking. Thank you. So those are the prices for Deal or No Deal. We're here in the Princess Theater. We're about to watch Deal or No Deal. It's like 12:55. We're not playing. We're just here to watch.
Welcome everyone to the Deal or No Deal game show. Now, by round of applause, how many of you have watched Deal or No Deal on TV before? Okay, this is nothing like that. No, I'm just teasing. It is the game show you know and love. For this, give it up for Robin, everyone. Woo! Celebrating anything on this voyage?
I am.
What are you celebrating?
My birthday. It's today.
No way! Birthday! Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Robin. Happy birthday to you.
Let's try 7.
7, that's my lucky number, my birthday. So let's see if it's lucky for you. Open up case number 7. All right, $10. Well done. Any matches on $10?
That was your first time watching Deal or No Deal on a cruise ship, right?
Yeah, it's first time.
It's actually pretty good. They did really well. The first lady won how much? It was won something.
I thought it was like 145. I don't know.
And the second one won 150. That's pretty good. I mean, that's more than you started with, right? You pay $10 for a card, so.
10, 20, I don't know how much it is.
I filmed on how much you pay for a card, so either way, they still made a profit. It wasn't $140, so they both made profit. Now we're getting ready to watch the enrichment talk about Prince Charles to King Charles and his whole life. We watched one of these on our transatlantic cruise, and it was about Queen Elizabeth I, and the lady who did it was fabulous. So I'm hoping this one is just as good. I know a lot about King Charles, but I really don't know that much.
I don't really care that much about it.
Yeah, I mean, we don't really. We're Princess Diana fans. That's all we'll say about that. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm just excited to watch and see.
I don't have a signal.
Anyway, so we're excited to watch that. The lady who did the Queen Elizabeth one was really good. So
I know it's the same thing.
it should be the same thing. It's about her life. It was about Queen Elizabeth I.
Yeah, that's different. This is like doing a lie on her story.
I think it's interesting. I like history though, so maybe that's why. So, what has been the best part of your day so far?
Deal or No Deal, I guess. Haven't done much.
Yeah, we really haven't. We woke up and we laid in our room for like an hour and a half, and then we went and ate, and then we watched Deal or No Deal, and now we're watching this. So we haven't done much, but it's been good.
Princess Elizabeth in the centre there, because she was not yet crowned. Her father was still alive, and that is George VI on the left of our picture. To the right, that's her mother, whose name was also Elizabeth. And then after she came to the throne, we had Queen Elizabeth and Queen Elizabeth the Queen Mother to differentiate between the two. And then the Duke of Edinburgh just standing there behind, and that little babe in arms, that is the gentleman we're going to be chatting about today. That's Prince Charles. And get ready for a big R. I'm going to show you a baby picture. Oh. And look what we have today. So you see the Queen Mother on the left. Her husband passed away perhaps about 8 months before that, because he passed away very unexpectedly, and so there was a lot of time and preparation needed after the mourning period had finished to get everything ready for the coronation. Character, and it was very testing for everyone there. And for example, the boys had to wear short trousers throughout the year. You're in the north of Scotland. You know how cold it was outside.
How did you like that?
It was really good, actually.
Yeah. I mean, even if you don't like the royal family, it's still interesting to hear somebody talk about it. Oh look, this must be the line. Yeah. Anyway, so now we're heading to tea. She's doing it. The guest lecturer, Janice Leader, is doing another one on the next sea day, which is the last day of the cruise. So I think I'll go back and watch that. I don't know if Zachary will want to go. It's about Queen Elizabeth. Quite a bit of line for tea, so if you are wanting to come early. But we didn't get to come early because we were doing the enrichment chat. So we're here at afternoon tea. We will see, and I'll show you all the options that they give us. Thank you.
Thank you.
What did you get? It was like tuna or egg salad. I got cheese, tomato, and some type of... So we both got our tea with milk, and the only tea that they're serving today is the English tea. That looks good, whatever that is. And you can have sugar or you can have sweet and low. I'm gonna ask them for sweet and low because I don't really want to use the sugar. How was your sandwich?
Well, it was good. What else can I say to this? Cucumber and tuna, I guess.
Oh. Would you get it again?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it to people who would? You would? So hot?
I need more sugar.
Hello.
Hi.
We have a mango or pineapple.
Can I have the pineapple, please? Yes. Thank you so much. I also got the pineapple cake. Pineapple upside down cake. Pineapple upside down cake. I can't talk. Can I have some jam, please?
Would you like some cream?
Just jam.
Just jam.
Just on the side, if you don't mind. Thank you so much.
Huh? Both?
Thank you.
So they give you the option to have jam. Is that cream? That's what that is? Cream? I have jam. Zachary got jam and cream for your scone, which is really, it's good. You don't have to eat it dry. That's really good. The jam's nice. The jam tastes, I don't know how to describe it. It just tastes like no preservatives. That's what I'm trying to say, I think. Good. Afterwards? You had it with cream too, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
Scone is really good with jam. I had this first instant reaction was I didn't like it, but then aftertaste I do like it. So, and I also got an almond cookie, and then I haven't tried the upside down cake yet. Pineapple upside down cake.
My favorite was the spoon.
Be loud.
This tastes like a regular cake.
Doesn't taste like pistachio. So pineapple upside down cake was okay. Peanut butter almond cookie was good. Scone was good. Finished the tea was good. Was yours good?
Yeah.
Would you come back?
Oh yeah, I hope they do the next C day. It's better than orange, I
I would come back. I'm not a huge tea person. I like raspberry tea, but that's about it. I would come back again though. What? Yeah. Tea time took about 15 minutes. 16 minutes. Pretty much 15 minutes.
The scone was really good. That's the first time I had it.
The tea didn't really taste like tea.
The tea was okay.
Yeah, it was fine.
The scone was good.
It was something to do though.
I don't know nothing to do until the show was over.
But tonight is also the other formal night of the sea.
I want to see the buffet.
Yeah, I mean I'm still gonna dress up though because I brought all those dresses with me.
The restaurant's fine.
I just also wanted to mention that at tea time they accommodate you, and if you want seating by yourself, they do offer seating by yourself. A lot of cruise lines won't do that, at least unless you have like a travel agent.
Unless you want to sit with people, we don't.
Yeah, unless you like sitting with people. Not me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, unless you want to sit by yourself, then you absolutely can.
Unless you want to sit with people, not by yourself.
What?
Unless you want to sit with people, then you can sit by yourself. We don't want to.
Also, we just got a voicemail. Actually, we got the voicemail yesterday, but it still didn't disappear. It's actually still on our phone. Anyways, it said that deposits for all cruises are $100, which is, I think, what they normally are, but I think you get an extra onboard credit. Yeah, you get an onboard credit, which is usually a lot of cruise lines do that. Last time we booked a cruise on the ship, we had to change it for something, and we didn't end up getting our credit, but
Yeah, we did. Oh,
Did
we
we?
got the money back.
Yeah, we got the money back, but we didn't get the credit. But luckily, our travel agent is really great. And her name is Regal from MH Family Adventures. So if you are subscribed to her on YouTube, then you should book with her too, because she's brilliant. I don't know how well you can tell, but it's really wavy. I mean, we're heading to Northern Ireland, so it's gonna be... There's a boat all the way out there. I don't know what that is. Is that another cruise ship, or is that one of those cargo boats? See it all the way out there? It looks like it's about to pour the rain down. Is it right if I touch it? Thank you. I just was curious. Thank you so much. Tonight is the first formal night, but we're not dressing up. Well, my parents, we kind of dressed up, but not really. I didn't change. We're at the buffet again. So we got the banana cream cake, and Zachary got the pecan pie. Is it good? Have you had better of it?
Yeah.
The first people in the theater, I think. We came extra early, a whole hour.
Thank you and enjoy the show.
They just let us know that we can't film during the show this time, so I won't be recording anything, but I'll let you know how it is afterwards. So we just got out of Born to Dance, which is a show dedicated to the choreography of Broadway. How did you like it?
It's probably the best show out of all 4 nights so far.
Yeah, if you don't like Broadway, it's probably not the show for you. It seemed like it was really long. Good, but long. It's about 8:30. We have to get up at about 7:30 tomorrow morning. We're probably both going to get showers and then just kind of take it easy tonight because, 7:30 is going to come early. What was the highlight of your day?
Probably either the tea of the show. I don't know. Probably tea, I guess.
That was a good one. My highlight of the show was highlight of the day was seeing the King Charles show. I really enjoyed that.
Probably the best.
Yeah, Zachary changed us to that. I really enjoyed it. It was really good. That's where we're gonna end this vlog. Tomorrow we will be in Belfast, and I will see you guys there. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.